I think it will become upside down right now. I was right. Okay, first thing, go to wipe data factory reset. Yes, wait for a second. Formatting is completed. Now go to advanced. Right, Dalvik catch. Dalvik catch wipe. Now completed. Go back.
Wipe catch a partition.
Wipe catch a partition. Yes. Wait for it.
Then install zip from SD card.
Install zip from SD card.
Apply. Choose zip from SD card. Apply.
Go to choose zip from SD card. Install from SD card. ROM ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. I have stored the data on a folder called ROM. Just choose the ROM folder. Darken, there you go. Just choose it. Install Darken. Yes. Wait for a sec. Till it installs. It's coming as installing update. It may take 5 to 10 minutes. As you can see, it is installing right now. Wiping Dalvik catch. Okay. Now
after that, go back.
Install from SD card complete. Go back. Just Dalvik catch. Reboot now.
Reboot your system now. Oh, congratulations!
You have installed Darkel ROM. Darkel ROM. It takes about 2 minutes because it's installing for the first time.
It takes some time.
As you know, Darkel is a popular ROM for micromax Unite 2. It's 5.0 based custom ROM. It has all features of 5.0.2. Unite 2 is the best device. It does not support for micromax Ninja A89. Wait for a second. About a minute. It will surely work on every Unite 2. For Unite 1 you can use Android5.0.2, that is the basic custom. That is Android 5.0 custom ROM for Unite 1. Wait for it.
It vibrated. Now it will start.
Okay, welcome.
Now choose a
Language that you wish. Skip. Just skip everything. Skip. Don't skip anyway. If you want, you can on a Wi-Fi. Okay, skip everything. Welcome. Okay. There you go. You have installed Darkel ROM. It's 5.0.
start around 5.0.2.
No hanging problems because it is the number 1 custom ROM in the world. There you go, friend. You can exit it now. Enough playing. Come on, bro. Okay. You can see. Thank you for watching the video of installing Darkel ROM.